Hello friends! Now is your chance to become the next owner of the fantastic Pflueger House here in Arapaho Hills. This historic home was the first home built in the neighborhood and was the only home designed by Edward B. Hawkins of Arapaho Acres fame. The home has been cared for by many great stewards through the years, making this home as close as possible to the original intents of the designer. And it is beautiful, with an open floor plan, warm natural materials, all in a peaceful setting. Become the next steward of the Pflueger House here in a historic Arapaho Hills. Your dream home is waiting.